What's going on? Today I'm going to show you guys how to get a Snapchat mod for 2026, guys. And what this does is it lets you basically increase your score for free. You can also remove ads, download videos, hide story, hide read messages, all this stuff, upload from gallery. So I'm going to turn on the increased score one because I just want to show you guys that your score will start going up. And then I'm going to show you how to get this Snapchat mod so you can increase your score and stuff like that. So let's see if it goes up, and hopefully, yeah, there we go. You can see the score does increase a little bit, but there's a lot of other settings in here. It's super amazing. So if you want to download it, guys, just come to your browser and go over to this website. So once we're on the website, guys, we're just going to type in Snapchat. This is the matrixmods.com site. So we're going to go for the top one, press on it, and this is the modded version, obviously. So go ahead and press download, and before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So what we got to do is download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load up. So as you can see, guys, it says almost there. Additional files are required. So we just got to download like 2 of these apps. They're all completely free. So you can see we got Travel Town. This one's like down to reach level 9. So it just takes me to the app store. I got to play it. And then once I reach level 9, I will be unlocked the Snapchat mod. So that's all I have to do, guys. So yeah, it's pretty easy, just like playing through the game, just doing some basic interactions. And go back to the list, and we're going to look for some more apps. So we got eSIM, which says follow instructions on the next page, which is install the app and open it. So that's what a lot of these apps are, which is very easy. Same with the Mode Casino, install the app and open it. So yeah, super cool, guys. So that's how I get a Snapchat mod for your device, so you can get all these settings. You can see hide viewing story, increase score, download videos, hide screenshots. We can turn on hide typing, turn on upload from gallery. I mean, this is super awesome. So be sure to try it out, guys, if you want to get a Snapchat mod for your device so you can actually like increase your score and stuff. But yeah, just make sure you go to settings and you got low power mode off, and also go to general. Make sure you got background app refresh turned on. But other than that, you should be good to go. So there you go, guys. That's how to download this Snapchat mod for your device so you can actually like increase your score and stuff, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I mean, I don't really make videos anymore, but I had to share this one with you guys to show you how to get the Snapchat mod for your device. So it's super awesome. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about like Snapchat. I mean, there's so many settings in here, guys, as you can see. Hide read messages. I mean, this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but there you go, guys. That's how to increase your score. And I guess the mod is called SC Falcon, but it's just known as the Snapchat mod on Matrix Mods. But yeah, be sure to tell your friends about it because this is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So if you guys were ever like on the fence about increasing your score or sending snaps without being notified, all that stuff is real. You just got to know where to go. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, bro. This is super insane and it totally works. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, I mean, I've tried everything, bro. This is the only way. So be sure to get the word out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. Tell your friends about it, and peace out, my squad.